This tutorial is going to show you how to add apps to your Microsoft Teams, including Flipgrid. So some of the apps are already added to this particular team page, but you'll move to past your icon over to the plus arrow and add a tab. Then you scroll down for what you're looking for. In this case, let's highlight Flipgrid. Look at how many apps there are. Crazy. I want to add it to this page. It gives you a little bit of information that you can learn about, and you could right here put in your Flipgrid URL. You may have to log in. I apologize for the slow load. I'll stop this while it loads. Okay, for me, we want to do Microsoft login. And it's already doing some magic. Easy peasy.